Hi everyone, welcome to Crack SAP new video. I hope everyone is doing good. Last video we have done installment payment terms, whereas we have seen in the line item wise installment for the vendor line item in the BL1N as well. Now I'm going to with a new video. It's a payment terms. It's a purchase order number where when you are paying to the vendor, so which is not related to that vendor, also it will accepting the default SAP now. So we need to be stop that one. How to configure the same, let us see. So it means purchase order which is not related to the purchase vendor, so still it will accepting the SAP to payment. So now we have to make the error, so we can stop that. This is the requirement from the my client. So how we'll go into it, let us see. Now I'm going with the F-48 for down payment. Now down payment screen, this one is a down payment screen. Let us have date 12th, and this is the company code, and this is the date, and this is the currency I'm going to use here. And now I'm going to the vendor here. So special GL indicator for down payment, and it's a bank account here, and the amount which I'm going to take it. Just hit enter now. I'll make it a star here. Just I'll take a tax code and purchase order for here to select purchase. This purchase order, it will not belongs to this vendor. So how to confirm? So let us see. I'm going within the purchase order screen here. Now this purchase order is related to 100005 vendor. So I need to enter here for this one. Yeah. Just enter here. See, this is the error. The error equals this is the message which is taking. If I hit here, this one should not be asked, right? Because of this purchase order will not be related to the vendor 10000000. So it is related to 10000. This is the error which I am going to. This is the message which I'm getting here, which is absolutely wrong, because of I don't want to be this one to be taken care by the other purchase order to be accept the vendor. So now we remember this number is F5371. So F5371, how it will going to configure? So let me tell you about that. So I can pay, but I don't want. Just I'm coming out here. Come out. So I'm going with the configuration now. We do need to be configured. Go for SPRO, SAP reference. Go to finance. Now go to financial accounting global setting. Tools here. Click on tools and then change message control here. Just a click here, change message control. Now it is in what is application area, which I asked you that keep it in mind. There is a number. There is an F5. There's an F5371 is a number. There's a message number which divided into two parts. One is F5 for file, first 2 digits for application area, and the next 3 digits for message. So just click here. Now see, I'll go with the new entry here. New entry is that is code 371. If I hit enter now, it asks me to give the what is the Now I'm putting the E for year, E for year. Just I'm hitting enter. Now this is a purchase order document belongs to another supplier. This is but the standard is, is a warning message, but we are going to now I'm going to save this one for the TR. This is one of the configuration for in the vendor. Now this TR needs to be saved here. Here it's saved now. Just I'm going out. So I'm going to back here. Now I'm going to new window, whereas I can maintain the -48 -48 vendor down payment. When it's a vendor down payment, it will give me an error now. So I'll select the date here, and date, the same thing, account number. There's a vendor which I'm going to select here, and the amount, bank account number, and it's an amount. Here I'm going to select, hit enter now, and now it will be, suppose it is star, we put it a star and take it at here, put to tax code. Now I'm going to this purchase order number, and this is the purchase order line item. Just I'm hitting the enter now. Now it is ignore it. Just I'm putting hit enter now. See, this is the error. Purchase document belongs to another document. It will not allow us to move further, so it will going to stop the payment. So this is the what I want to show you, and this is the requirement from the all the clients who, because of one purchase order belongs to other vendor and you are paying to the same by mistake, it can be happen. And we stop with the business will be required this thing, so you can make sure that these things to be help you for the serve the vendor. So thank you so much for watching this video, and subscribe, like the video. So I hope you enjoy my video, and thanks for your watching my video.